You can't just announce it 2 days before elections and then tell the court that the process has already started. We are taking all precautions.
Can you postpone elections of locals and polls?
When I was a councillor in Margam municipality in the year 2000, means I was elected in 95. In 2000, when the BJP supported government was there, they postponed those elections by 4 or 5 months. And I was a councillor. You may remember that I have resigned on moral grounds, saying that people have elected me for 5 years. Government can manipulate reservation. How we can allow government that they are still not announcing? Now 15th March you have said the ZP elections will be held. 15th March not even a month. But how the candidates are going to prepare themselves? They are trying to reserve our strong constituencies, that feelings we have got. They are trying to pressurize some of our candidates, threatening them to contest independent. We already got these figures, fillers from our candidates, that government is threatening them. Either Chief Minister will call them or some minister will call them and ask them, you don't contest. Mr. Manohar Parrikar announced in the assembly that all the candidates should know at least 1 year in advance about the reservation. And reservation should be done by the State Election Commission and not by the government.
Some survey amounts of...
No, that survey, all details are available with the state election. Yes, it's available.